Okay, so this whole section, this whole form is just using those formulas that Mr. Middleman showed us in the very last video for this section. And you have to be able to recognize which formula to use with which problem. And the way you do that is you take a look at, whatever's here and then whatever's here. And basically it's just saying, first power means the power of the generating formula is 1. So we know that we're going to use this first power formula to find this sum. Now to do so, we're going to go from, n equals 1 to n equals 15. So what goes in here is just 15. So to find our sum, we're going to go 15, replace all our n's with 15, 15 plus 1 over 2. And that's just 15 times 16 over 2. And if you multiply that together, simplify it, however you want to think about it, you should get 120.